wanted to say is that when you, as a numerologist, you will have your own style, and she will have her own style, your own style. I have my own style. My teacher has his own style. So if you're more inclined to the more spiritually aware, or the more spiritually conscious, or the more spiritually at a level where they understand profound insights or deeper reading, the day-to-day family and dynamics of life, and the stress and the job and the kids and the things. That's your style. Do you see what I'm saying? So therefore you will be attracting those type of clients and attracting those type of customers. Like my teacher, he's more attracting people who are more corporate. You have to also see where they are at. And sometimes they might not have the spiritual level to understand and receive your message in the way you say it. And sometimes, you know, someone who is very spiritual might feel that your one is too human, like too much in the day-to-day. It's like, no, really, I'm not. I'm okay with my family. 8, 7, 9 person in front of me. That's a very complex thinking number, yeah? As different from a 1, 3, and 4 person, okay? If I have that type of complex number and I'm going ahead and say, oh, you're very spiritual, you're very high thinker or analytical, right? But the person or the words that they say is actually more stuck on the material, and they're more stuck on the anxiety and job and family. They might have to change my reception of them and tune into their wavelength and say, yeah, this is, you're powerful, but in the family and housewife race. So most of my teaching is like, I give you my tips or my understanding or my insight on in how a numerologist, not just how, but why. That's my understanding of the see it that way, instead of just how. This is what you have to do. This is the formula. This is what you have to speak, or this is what you have to, you know. When you understand the why, then it is much easier to actually just send the message, because you're not in the way.